Touch the lady to divine guidance the paper like a social and the reading the first ever reading on intuition rangi intuition che krangzogi intuition che o de chene reading nya chingin the channel di nangla ngin ten tangbu di chagdura intuition kangla reading che di ani di the what are you attracting and achieving in last 3 months of 2025 ra ngidong ni sanga di chodel tawa sum the last tawa sum lagdura tawa sum dinala kirangi ani kare attract cheidu kare achieve cheidu ra okay o den cheni reading ani kiran so intuition gi damya re ani card tangbuti file number 1 di kare chagdulan ta magician ra the magician chaidu kiran so gi the magician kala this intuition power gi this attract to ligi aina ani kiran so gi reading di the magician kala chagre ani file number 2 the high priestess okay ani kiran so yang high priestess chongla this attraction che chagyo aina and intuition kiran so deba shuk che ligyo aina kiran so file number 2 chagre ani kiran so gi file number 3 di the empress ra ani kiran so namgi ningi to sik thing is ha ko re the empress card ra ani on di file number 3 chagre kiran so gi empress card now do thong ani so attract to chagyo aina kiran so gi file number 3 chagre lan share and so gi ka cho attract chagyo ne on di gala reading yi lan share yi ani next 3 months ra what are you attracting and achieving in next 3 months of 2025 okay ani okay any kiran so gi see attraction khala or intuition power sheta shukchimpo mewa che sheta attraction and sheta litu gi mewa ina ge yo maris chera kiran so chido DOB so date of birth kang ni tam la ni shera date of birth ange description na sha yu ani so check out che la ni shera file number 1 file number 2 and file number 3 so date of birth kang la check out che la ni share okay ani so file na la che yung test le file number dang so ani kiran so ye file di the magician select che na di kiran ge chedure yang kiran so ye magician select che me wai ne so birth date 1 3 6 10 12 15 19 21 24 28 or 30 di nani khanu chik na la kiran so birth date khiyo ai na di file di kiran ge chedure file number 1 re okay ani kiran so reading thangbo ko ran the magician kiran so ge da ti kang attract chai di kiran so ge rangshin khandi do li la na pe mi akala or intelligent ra you are very intelligent and you are first learner ra now you are going to learn very first whatever you are going to learn ra kirangi kharich sawa changato and lamsang sing to pe shipang yurbo ra o den kirangi rangsin on den yongsi pe shipang yurbo sinda nang le ne so dangshu sing to ni ji de shi jagal ne so dangshu go chu ya do da ani 지겨라 배 고속부터 시방이부터 텐디도 리기어라 아니 걔랑 남견이 집단에 가리래가 제가 좋아이네 마두바 시다 미겨도 가리네 직 소소 칼리 갭도 와나 델 디부에 되링이 지라 칼리 갭 디부미와 인디 마이 바제 칼리 갭 아니 델 디부야 람살람사 되인 통이요 텐디도 지라 안 걔랑 직 지기라네 걔랑 서포트양 라우딩이 도 지카진라나 걔랑 배 intelligent you're smart you're very smart you are manipulative in not in the bad way okay 걔랑 배 계자 배 닝지 모션이라 ani pajo mila be influence che thur da dor you are influential okay courage pajo la lawa ne la dam pe kyo chin la mi gi ne lam sang kirang la agree che do da o thende kirang ki natural you are natural can be this kind of thing okay you must be influencer you can say you must be influencer in your circle and you are very smart and you're first learner this can be your personality okay on the do in series then you see okay can also watch personality kajin can also file number 1 thamra ani kirang born the leader okay kirang yang leader chair lead chair la ko yo ra mila lam tin chair and cho so idea khele ne lam tin chair and la ko yo on the day you see kirang so gi pal de okay pal number 1 okay ni kirang so chi do ta next 3 month la ga do chi chak dulana so ra khare do chi danda kale ke yo dila tibu tin to ya achievement kare dulana kirang gi danda khare to la kale ke yo on di gi tibu ti tawa sum nang la at the end of the 2025 you are going to achieve whatever you are working on ra kerangi karit ola lega chi yo digi doing the dub togia ani keran pe go chung you are going to be very satisfied happy at the end of 2025 ra kajila na kerangi lega di dubri you achieved whatever you wanted. Okay, so first card kora keran zola achievement ligi the achievement te aguda the achievement card ligi the one yes so karit ola kali gani rida yang so lega chipu marta the relationship la ra relationship thole so this yakpo sugi to langi to yora da so relationship pe deep sugi yakpo sugi sunyam do ine dewa yakpo sugi la chi yora da sunyam do ine re da so phama pinche nyen do topo domu da kerangi sunyam do dewa yakpo sugi dura oni nyam do dewa yakpo sugi thogya ode tingyo re ni at the end of the 2025 kerangi tangi relationship pe yakpo chaso la ni simba gaya satisfaction ra young career so you call energy put you wherever you are putting your energy you are going to achieve in that. This can be in a relationship as well. If you want to improve your relationship you are going to improve it in at the end of 2025 and you are going to be very happy about your relationship. You are going to be satisfied. You are going to feel very happy. Okay, oh did it do very nice. Ani karili the star card. Okay, the kiranzo mikaje chik the ketra chimbu chai to the piles din ala number 1 in a leadership kiranzo business chaputo ni ketra chimbu chai to the yama kirangi lega and chin ketra chimbu chai to the yama kira chiso nala chiso gi shabju share to the old in the kala ketra chimbu yama kirangi influencer and the chair to the yama kirangi the social media nala chik chen ketra chimbu kang tar kiranzo la kiranzo gi tende lega chingi okay, you are going to be very famous at the end of 2025, right? If you are working towards name and fame, okay, name and fame, you are going to be very successful. You are going to be very famous at the end of 2025. If you are working towards that and if you are putting lots of energy towards that, okay. Ode de tingi tu keranzo so pe kali gagi na reda so kali gap ani and chigyo aina ani keranzo 2025 at the end of the month ra keranzo pe successful ra da dawasum dina kali geira ani thamadel debut onge jo so star chai jo pe go chungya da din so yang so da name fame to da kali gagi mewa ine so gita shimba and kharit ola kali gagi ra keranzo gita. Okay, relationship nala yang ligido ye de relationship nala shukchimbu ligido yang keranzo khaji chikmone relationship la very important thing ra important thing in the insecret. If you give very importance towards your relationship then you are going to achieve that as well in a relationship. Very satisfaction, balance, fruitful result. Okay, you are going to see the every positive way in improvement in a relationship ra oh de do tingi do okay ani keranzo ichido nice yapudu that was something a positive card can get list that the badudang bashora. Okay, that is chick de positive card can get list that lava that day. Ani keranzura financial to the kaligegu bera financial yargetang achi to kaligegu be oh then keranzo financially abundant ra you are going to be very abundant. In these 3 months, you're going to receive very big amount of money, and this can be a promotion or increment, or this can be a business opportunity. You are going to gain some big amount of money from business. This can also happen if you are a businessman or businesswoman. Okay, and ikesi kiran kita lopchong chingi loptu dende yimba yina yang kiran sola abandon do dawasum dinala yang ti sozo loptu yimbe indi ni sozo pingya nangmi da ngwashima dende nane sozo this big amount of money ran sozo pe happiness ra pe kyu chungya dende ngire ani ta kiran sola tis chik dandara na khari tingi dulana kare thole ni kiran so gi mangshi tempo megyo chik yora da so mangshi tempo megyo chik kare thola digyo wa ina yara so ita di yungyo na yungmi mina samde tokpa yugyo chi yora ta tokpa yugyo da so ita da bado leka ila mela chigyo chi yo ina ani ondi zo dure okay kiran so gi ti chamche ri ila mela di mewa cha dure okay on den tingi da so ita ila mela che do da so iti chik do ba shira megi leka che de ji yora o di le tangya ani so ita ba yugyo chola to ya. Okay, what did it do? Kirangi da kashi yora da lega da raso nga lega da chigi yini nga duba shida mele. Lopchong da chigi yini lopchong lopsen dila duba shida mele and yora. Oh, tende imba ina kiranzo la suddenly change li re kari change li la duba megyo dini ma dun to yagi change li da sudden change di kiranzo such a change ya yin sigre lopta ina university do ina dende change ya lega chesa na office change ya rap nyana so business chigi yina business la shida duba mewa ina ya business shimba and ko tsuge ta gang tar change change shuk chimbo ji li du da kiran zo chido okay kaji chigi chedu change ta shuk chimbo li kaji na sozo duba goro mena change shuk chimbo li kaji duba yu shindu yakpo cheda chegi mewa ina yakpo chegu du okay shimba change li du dara change te sozo duba mena change duba mena yang change le na kyu mara duba yu na ani change le na pi kyu chegira o de ka the change shuk chimbo ji li du there is going to be something change is coming for your studies, or if you're a businessman something you're going to change the business, or if you're a working person then you're going to change wherever you work, or sudden change. This can be sudden shipment, sudden change, okay? So you have to be ready for that. If you don't want to walk, but still if you're walking somewhere, then you're going to change that place as well, okay? How then it'll change to you do? And big change is coming your way, right? On the okay, positive. Chok ching so do ba me chin to chik che de chora tin so ichi da pe positive card chagi or da okay. Ani di chen that change the lesara change lesa gyurwa shuk chimbo chi lesa kiran so saja gyurwa chik lega cheso gyurwa yang khari ne gyurwa shuk chimbo chi kiran so sopto gala lesa di chene any kiran so gyurwa di chik tangira di chene khari du la satisfaction, okay? Thank you the gyurwa di tang potang chungdi da this chik sem la shenang amda khari ne lisi ra ama the saja hopto melang so saja sawa chik la doa ina ani so ning da sozo hago di gyura an sawa chikla le yundi dis kyumi di dis kale yora ini sawa de la le tsani kale gale di kare dula na positive to da undi saja de la positive saja ine denire yana sozo yi kala ore 내가 직접하게 다 다가나라 내가 제사디 당봉위라 데 소소다 이 약부 매네레다 이네 코류 아니라 소소디스 familiarity 차사라다 소소디스 하고요라 사자디 only you do ini 사자 심바지라 주의라 디 사와치기 디스 남도 사와라 디 지금람라 이다스나 아니 이네다 only 사와디 change 차는 비즈니스네 사와레가 카레네 직 change 중차나 아니 이제는 결혼절 satisfaction okay keep only 지워겨 답 야샤 빼 약부 중소라 저 어디 지마 결혼절 어디 리기도 다 change 제라 아니 그런 저 거리 change 와이네 제라 그런 저기 change 단다 도바메네 change 게 추라 어디 change 차네 제니 그런 저 satisfaction 도다 okay. If you don't want to change it right now because you feel like familiarity with that same place, right? Because you know the people, you know the place, and sudden change will feel like you are scared or you're feeling a little nervous, okay, about a new place, new situation. But after changing that place, that new situation, you're going to be very happy, you're going to be very satisfied, or you're going to feel like, thank God I've changed that place, workplace, or this can be anything, okay? This can be in a relationship, this can be whatever you're going through right now, okay? You're going to get sudden change, and then you're going to feel, after that, you're going to feel very satisfied, very happy. Then you feel like, okay, thank God, blessing in a disguise, you know, right? Or you're going to feel like that. 어디 니 도라 change 산 비교 체도 아니 나 emperor 리기도라 계란서 아니 때라 내가 때 leadership in this also this lead to this career la na confident shukchi bore ni confident digi shukchi dana kari lead la this chick overconfident ra this chick egoistic ra this chick pobotombo to change this na ta pobotombo chana khandi feel chire a khoda e pobotombo re to shira mi this tarings chado da o de this chick pobotombo chai chance to ra da osundi na okay kiranzo kajila na kiranzo lead chire an kiranzo khalawre pe apchagi or khari ni satisfaction pe apchado de this chick yang pobotombo de chai bi chance to ra ti du kiranzo gi okay de pobotombo chadu ni khari deal cheudu kiranzo gi ra balance era 약본이 중요나 아니 양 보보통본데 차여도 오 말이 down to earth 심해지야 소소소 this 보바 마우스 this 심바심 칼라오레 this down to earth there to that this you're going to feel little bit egoistic or overconfident. It's only because you're going to feel very good and you're leading the people, you're surrounding, and you're achieving so many different kind of things wherever you're working, right? And then you're going to feel like, okay, now I can do like, you know, right? You're going to feel overconfident. So if you feel like that in next 3 months like that, then the card is coming temperance. So this card says, make the balance. Don't be overconfident, okay? I want you to do balance between the confident and underconfident and overconfident. You have to be in the balance, okay? Be confident, but don't be overconfident. like that. Oh, then it ochira balance tingido ani balance chen so de to waina yang ha go yo so relationship line pe yak po to ya lega chega to ne pe abo to ya yang so yi khala ore lega ne pe abo to relationship line pe abo to ani so yi simbaga health kan line pe abo to balance yo to ani konjo gi captain shuk chimbon nang ya jo kena la o de tingido next da kena gi sula melam gap sula so tap te gi ne ondi gi ta captain shuk chimbon nang to ya o de tingido ra. Okay, in celebration. I can answer celebration pe shukchim bodu da. Chirdang ne ka dinal mangchara relationship ki kola legi do da. Mostly you are very giving importance towards your relationship, right? Oh, de tingi do can answer pe relationship chola pe importance ti do de tingi dizo ichi do khari do la ne can answer mangche pile number 1 dizo leadership do da can answer pe lead chingi ra lega la pe chumbu nyemba yapo intelligent smart ra your personality is very good, but you give very importance towards your relationship. Okay, most of you in pile number 1 it looks like you give very importance towards your relationship, very importance pe shukchibuti achi ya onde ani de take you in diksha kiranzo next 3 months la ta kiranzo relationship la ra kiranzo single imba inner satisfaction kiranzo mingle chaya meet huya ra life partner le on the chance to ani kiranzo ichi do kharitingi dulana celebration ni tungi dura ani kiranzo nami pinching yam do somni keep ta ya o de tungi do getting together with your family members. If you are living far away from your family, then there's a chance you are going to meet your family members and you are going to enjoy celebrate with your family members ra o de tungi do ani kiranzo celebration ni tungi do da celebration shukchimbo do financial gain dura ani sudden change. If you don't want to work in some place, then you are going to get a chance to change from that workplace. Okay, on the day tungi do ani kiranzo making very balanced in diet and ego the this balance kala shago tungi dura ani kiranzo star redo kiranzo ra star the injimi da influencer and machewa ne kiranzo family member nala oro kiran star in sigirera ta kiran kala ore ta punani ta ko jinshur ko yakshur mo sheke shore jinshur nyem shur lai cha ode pe yakpo positive cutting idra ani kali ene gya thungi very hard working ra. You must be very hard working person towards kira family member dang so relationship la pe important ti idra ene legal la kira zo pe jumbu du di de legal la chita de nang chi mago e do jo de thungu du kat na la ra legal la chita shuk gya mago chita kali gya mago ene Children Nicola Leka Kalika Yakta Dub Trace me all the day to sting to the Kanazachida. A relationship la pay importance to do and on the day when I keep you tangido get together do family member do Yapatangido on the little sting to the last cut lingura. Okay, the last card the Karli Dulana victory card leader. Let us explanation go. I need some explanation on this. Okay. Tagare tungi dulanara. Kiranzo gi workplace la this chig nyoksing tupa ande do this machamba ni mi opinion mangbo she so lega chesa la chig yora da mi chig ni lap chig mi ga chi mangbo ni go tugi yo ina kiranzo ra. Ani next 3 months la kiranzo this chig rap kala step back ra mi kharla idu dila pha chik so mi ge dende lagale na ta so ya ta so point chik proof chawra da mi dende lagale ya so de kala thinde chik la bya di dende lagale dila pa bya ta mi samala pha so deshi gap de jo dende shuk chimbo kiran gi chagi yo ina ani next 3 months la kiran ti chik shiri kom go ya ra ti slowly de go step back chera mi gi thami de lagale sheda importance matia so gi kare important yo on the sim na la nyar le bana la sha mi gi kare la gi du la ti ya mi tang to ga o dende do chi dara mi opinion mang bushagale competition do kile to the mi chik chagale de jo kirang o de la this yami tang to ya ani so gi nanglo deep samlo tang ya shide komya ra ani kang tup tup gi shide de step back chia nyoksing tupa na la sheda ma maju ya so step back chene ani so shide kom le de so samlo tang so de ba khare on di chia on di do chitungi do. Okay, next 3 months like kiran zo ichidu guidance the only lecturer ani chitani kiranzo intuition power bi shukchimbudu da kiranzo ra intuition shukchimbudu kiranzo chikchena da birth number gi kona dam yogi mari nge symbol chikchena kiranzo gi pile di kona dam serngera ra ta magician kona dam gire mangcheji kajina kiranzo intuition power bi shukchimbudu da ra. Okay, ani di so intuition gi ngin lai cha mi gi tamida la gyo ten so shida mangi ya mi tang mi gi chik laga le ni laga le mi gi tang yok sing chuba mangbu chi yung gre advice ting do da ya do du shingi mangbu li re ne on this ke sang ma ya mi tang so yu de ba khari yu so sim na ne khari li do so samlo na ne khari li do ti la samlo shuk chi ya tang lai jo ani pe sim ba shide sha go o de do li do guidance okay o de do shide sha ani ke nan zo la animal spirit ki guidance kare kare khili do ra. Okay, animal spirit. Nightingale spirit. Okay. Then the chip thing loves all around. Okay. Armadillo spirit. Okay. the confirmation chast. The takta confirmation chast. Tandarang yegar liste. If people are giving you lots of, advice or how do we say opinions, lots of different things, or you are getting some challenges or competition from the people around you. Okay, if you are in this kind of situation, then you have to step back and make boundaries. Okay, you have to listen your inner voice. Okay, don't listen to other people. If people are giving you lots of advice in your workplace or these things, okay, so this is your guidance. And then animal spirit ke takarang le idu de karili idu love is all around us. Like ta de mi ending yok ra kheli gyo tin solo dinan che dewa nan so nyok sing chupa nan su ta lebat sangma खराब दिमाग खराब छाई रही लाये चाहो ओदी इन्हें किरांगी वो दिला दुना माचे वाचे पॉजिटिव चोला दुना चावा इना love is all around किरांगी ये यूं लायां सेवा चिंगी यापो चिंगी किरांगी चेदु समलो तांगी किरांग ला याया चिंगी समची चिंगी यापो भी मांगबो र सेवा चिंगी भी मांगबो र दिनजो ला समलो तांग positive chola shukchiya ta lai jo negative ta azo mi chi so na thiri ra so samlo ma thwa negativity inde mangbo so sala chu yungi ro ine so gi khaje re positive chola ta ya o den de tingi da de love is all around kenal sewa chingi khao do yakpo chingi khao de dizul denan che to ga chingi competition kheling nak polangi ta chigyo ra da so kang pa thingi dinge la yami tang ya ra and the animal spirit shimba khalai do set healthy boundaries there boundaries be sui lagi do da de mi ta mi da so luga li ra de mi ta so chik la chuna khare ine lap thura mi ta ine so boundary sues ra boundary sues ta ti ngala khagam strugu thura okay accept je ngala dile lax chegali na do mi du lan so boundary ta healthy boundary sue ja dile lax ngala lamo dile lax ngala do mi ngala khagam kom tu dile lax ngala kom tu mi so boundary sue ja ta dile lax ngala chegali na ngani me khari ne tharing stigi la ja o the boundaries sue set healthy boundaries on the healthy ya sangma nyam to tharing bu chela gyo mara khajena love is all around pilada so la chewa chingi bi mangbo pe ore ya po samlo tangi bi mangbo ore dinzo so nyam nyar ya duga ade chingi de dinzo chi yora dinzo sangma pia de set healthy boundaries take this away from your surroundings. Okay, these are bad people, bad influencers, bad how do we say negative people and negative advices. If you are receiving negative advices from these kind of people, they are pulling your leg in a bad way, then you have to set the boundaries. This is confirmation card for you. Okay, set the healthy boundaries, and there's so positive people around you who loves you so much. You have to receive their loves and see the positive side. This is your guidance from the animal spirit. Okay, the paying chimu reading rata so la ko message de tak ra yo perewa yu ani ngentung de la katak na ro chi channel la subscribe chi ro chi. Okay, ani nyurdu che yong 아니요, 단도직 카릴라나 기시라 키란조 파일 넘버 1 티 탐니 아니 단다디 키란조라 레조네이트 셰르 차마 손삼바이나 아니 파일 넘버 2 타네 티리 양나 양 3 타네 티리 양 소소소 칼라 데발리 도온디 촐라 타네 티리 직 파일 직 디 소소 이담라 온디 레조네이트 야포 차마 손삼나 심바타 심바디 소소라 레조네이트 차야 오데 찬스 유기라 티디양 직디 마디와이나 심바타 안직 디와이나 아니 레조네이트 차소 레조네이트 라 코멘트 섹션 라 디로치달라 쉐 가질라 니아지 퍼스트 인투이션 리딩 라 디디 인디 nga라이네다 가감 once ki resonate chagido de sagongi tudu ya ani be yakpo resonate yakpo shuk chimbu chagi wa ina ani jema loda dangyamdo ani dagarang intuition gachiya reading ta mangbo ki yugira mangbo reading chigira kangtup mangbo swe try chigira ta ini resonate korama chana ani yindung sweni chomida ani dusu thola docha dora di indin kinanzogi resonate chongwa ina resonated lantilo chidara ani pile 1 resonated pile 2 resonate pile 3 resonate on the so ani resonate chagime wana pile phasu this change ni tadara so la kandi resonate chagdura so on the tadala ni share okay actually pile number ni pachu ani khilangi pile ni pa de ani the high priestess dam yona ani khilang la dikard dige attract chiyona dingindum khilangi chidure yangna khilangi intuition gi madam ba ina ani khilangi pile number 2 kare 2 4 8 11 13 17 20 22 26 29 and 31 khilanzo the DOB date of birth nang la kegyo imba ina ani yendong de khilangi chidure la ni shyangi okay ani the high priestess dile yungdu khilanzo chirdan rangshin ra kiranzo gi rangshin khandeula na balanced okay kirangi re togla ine be balance kala sha tungi ra kirangi ta relationship tang workplace la tang antinzola balance che tu ya do da ani masculinity da feminism la balance sha tungi ra family on the female kimala balance yin and yang tiaga da tuga kare ni positive da negative kare togla ine be balance sha tungi ani kiranzo gi ta chu che dang ani yang na lega che dingi kala yang chu gang chediya mai baji yang leka kyang chediya mai bachi chu bichi spiritual lamga ka thugi chu bichi gi ine ta so paljo longchu gyuno longchu chi du leka kali bi gyagi ina ngi on de balance your ra kenanzo achi personality on de do chi ta yugi re kenanzo chi dura ani kenanzo intuition power pe shuk chi bu ra ani so khari ne so yi same thing ne ko gut feeling gi gona chi ni thak chu thungi on de do ra kenanzo achi personality your personality can be very balanced. You are a balanced person, okay? You have made a balance between your relationship and your workplace, and masculine and feminine balance, and positive and negative balance. You have made balance in everything, okay? You are a very balanced person, okay? And you are very intuitive. And you can be very intuitive, and also you do spiritual part as well as you do very hard work to achieve materialistic, okay? Oh, they did balance your real and share, okay? And you're a very intelligent person, and you don't talk much. Kenanzura kechamangbu talkative shita yugi maringe simple kechamangbu kamangbu shita mashi observe shading edeme. Shimba kalaidu ko kalaidu pe kalaidu denang shuk chimbo te tungi shimbala soso shita mashing tenemi kande ore ding ne pe smart pe kalauro good supu pe mingimba yakpo yorira mirin zo ine tendela gauchira listening ding sang dusula listening chingi marani kaliti sangma shegore ine nyingi yo mare ra 아니 닝이데 그런 얘기를 오다 거의 시작을 next mission 올라이죠 어디를 진 얘기를 하다가서 망치직다 디인도 딩상기도 솔라 listener 코레 디인도 결함적인 personality 망치직 listen 죽침보 약부 제통이 된데라 observe 약부 제통이 어디를 얘기를 your observation power is very good, your listening power is very good. This can be your personality, okay? And you don't talk much, you listen a lot, and people laugh that about you, ra. Ani meeting so in social landing yengi na importance to do some kadu da on the den krang pe listening yakpo yo ra on the den girishida mashawara keja nyunyu shi yakpo yengi de na yakpo chitungi kotsubu on the ra kenagi personality on the giril and shi, okay? Kenanzo pal number 2. Yeah, the magician keranzo pile number 1 tane diksha gachilana yang dandangi lagi di keranzo tak da dup meba inara so pile number 1 ta da gachilana dandangi la sa da keranzo keje shita shimare talkative shita yo mare ra ani be yakpo listening chire mangche dinde ingire ni chingi chigla de dumasta da pile number 1 list de keranzo pile number 1 karla na shake you mila ba shake dame ko mi changma influence che do mi de so na redo mutu yo so to ngi me so if you are not the good listener and good how do we say katandra khalasni good listener lasani don't talk much lasa if you don't talk much and if you talk a lot and if you don't listen while people are talking, then you must go and check out pile number 1 because pile number 1 is coming for you as well. And so the personality like you around Madu pile number 1 tane did Kajilakiran, which is pile number 1 Kashi Chidreda, among Chelta the Dubkir Tireda. Okay, dara pile number 1 tane tingire samgido kachilana pile number 1 la on your kiranzo pay smart your gospel ra shake your ra shine gora mila influence ye to ra ani michimba very intelligent your leadership the leader then so kandi your shine mila kanyimbo yo kanyingo and segora the leader gi lead chela tambo shine mi changma yo okay la so la follow che to la shegoro wa odene leadership ki kiranzo la tidura yana kiranzo la dinika yo gi tanika personality yo ni biora ra shego sal pe she 동에 있는 시에마가 소라 가슴 소소라 limit kala balancing your or you can be this both personality you have this both personality when you have to talk you talk very good very influential and people agree with you and follow whatever you say and when you don't have to talk you just listen and observe then you see the kiranzola dinika personality you see that dinala okay then you see okay ani kiranzola danda kariyungidula next 3 months la kiranzola travel chera trip to planning travel to chegi kiranzo planning tigyo ina to be a chance to okay kiranzo ye kawa trip trip chinju indele ya travel and chia international camgam and to ya dende planning to chigyo ina ani kiranzola energy shuk chembuli dura energy be shuk chembuli du ani kiranzola leka kharrechik chego samne idea pe mangpudura ine kiranzo gi leka dela put your energy you have to put your energy to achieve something and in these last 3 months you are going to put your energy a lot and you are going to achieve whatever you wanted in your career okay career na like student in by nere working in by nere business men women career in by nere ra jogi pe energy yakulugu du kale jagi du ra kale gap thamadela debuchi tendita kale gyaba dixo asame cho o tendira yang kale tis gap debutis tinga and my baje kale pe gap ani debutera o de da osum na o de tingi de kiranzo wachi okay if you put your energy wherever you want to work you're going to achieve very good in these last 3 months okay at the end of 2025 okay the emotional gana kiranzo satisfaction sheda me bata udura kiranzo waji chipdanira family kiranzo gi member yapope dura so pe positive do ni kirangira this control chola this negative to thongde me do samsam chidura ani dende thonggi wa na kirangi last 3 months of this 2025 if you see negative side of your family members actually they are very good actually your family members are very good but you see the negative side of them side of your family members so you are not satisfied with them you want to change them or you want to change yourself but in these last 3 months you are going to change yourself and see the positive side of your family members and you are going to feel very good about them okay on the dora kirangi danda this negativity kirangi relationship kang la chik yana nya chi dokpo mo des apum same do da nya chi tara palamla pingya des apum mindu same do da ira mi la de ya chok duga chok ni ga yudi kirangi duga chok de la shuk chi de na chi gi wa ina kirala kyodi yo mare oni me wa tingi do dandara kirangi next 3 months la kirangi 기르와 당기도 콘소 기르와 당치 예민이다 니 상마 기르와 당기라 카포라 소소 기르와 당기라 소소 락발려라 온데 기라 소소 기르와 당기 아니 positive side la tagi is 콘소 아치라 기랑기 relationship 가라 이네레다 토포토모 빙야 낭미 팔람라 토요라다 소소 초가케 메사상 타칼레니 기랑기 당 아랑 기르와 당 아랑 야포 쓰기 아라 에너지 야포 이게 쓰기 아니 콘소 상마 야포 통기리 레자 소소 믹시 가리 괜히 온디 칼러디 통기리 라이죠 믹시 세오 그나 something 상마 세오 통기리 라이트 투라 저기랑기 positive 기 믹시 지 경기 있은 상마 positive side 따기 라이죠 안 소소에 심바키와요 리스 오데리 그루와 당기도 okay you are seeing the positive side and you are going to feel happy 라 그런서 집단이라 따나 다와 숨기나라 가래도지 제가 좋아 이네 기란속에 빽 탁주 약부라 딱지 약포 땅내 리사이치기도 여라 다기란솔 opportunity 딱빼 망벌리기도 와수치느라 내가 work opportunity 빽 슈침부 망벌리기도라 기란소 줘라 이네 기란속이라 다 딜라 빽 세치 약포치니 opportunity 간디 약부도 간디 랭고도 간디 뢰고도 간디 냐르고도 간디 샤고도 라이쳐 you are analyzing you are receiving lots of opportunity in these last 3 months of 2025 but you are being very analyzing which one is good opportunity and which one to hold and which one to lose then they can pe takchi yakpotangido okay in last 3 months and you are going to be very good kachilana kirangi pe takchi yakpotang ne lekha chigyodi yagaram yongiro wa onene 여기더라. 아니 내 victory card 리더 돼. 다 기런스라 나 카시지라 레카라 되는 숙침보진 제가 누구더라 아니 네개기 체도니 빅토리더라 아니 트립 트래블 라이드니 누다 기런스 인터내셔널 트래블 비토시리 and national travel 빈시리 야마 카시지기 치도 property 뉴에 비찬스 도 기런스라 강바 뉴에 사자 뉴에 딘디 인베스트 체 빈시리 강바다 사자 딘디 인베스트 체라 야마 소소 치도 모터 뉴에 luxury item and 뉴에 소소 shopping in the 체 luxury item on the 뉴에 인시라 기런스 next 3 months 라 그런 저 only 가진 유르라는 레카직 두는 배키우 차니 끼끼끼 지는 게 지메 야마 소소 비즈니스 배 약부 러닝 제도 아니 비즈니스 되게 지는 소소 비샤 약부라도 이 직소 소소 이 친도 럭셔리 아이템스 라 인베스트 지기라 도다 여러 직 니기라 도다 야마 인베스트먼트 사자다 강바 텐딜 인베스트 요 텐데 두라키나 졸로네 딩기도 아니 가시 찍느라 기란소 spiritual lamga kala that is konglo che this ingiradi spiritual lamga kala bad deep to the last 3 months okay that the 2025 the end of 2025 the kiranso bad spiritual lamga kala chi shya wang lung shya ne kor chia gom nyamlen chia shendin kyoria ledo da chik yoro chi lamga la bad shuk chimbu zudo chime shung changya dodang ta yorada 오늘의 최나라 배식 친구 주요 어디를 땡기도 그런서 오케이 very good 그런서 아니 예바야 뜻 니에죠 소소칼리 겹 최나라 식 친구 주요 칼리 겹 예바야 뜻 소소는 예 가지라 그런서 intuition power 당분이 식 친구 유디 그런서 최 가르치 제가 조금 냠네 가르 잡아야네 단두디 야가 차기라 소소는 예바야네 니라 어디를 돌아 그런서 람가 가리 담담레시라 가시기니 소소 financial 당 아니 소소기 가리 materialistic 람가 강라도나 텔라 success to you if you choose the materialistic world then you're going to be very successful and you're going to achieve wherever you're putting your energy okay and if you are looking for a spiritual in a deeper level you are going to achieve that as well in last 3 months okay if you are looking for improving your spiritual path going to a spiritual path you are going to achieve the first level or second level of spiritual path you are going to achieve that in this last 3 months of 2025 okay 오늘이 땡기다 캐런서 디소소 가리 담담라라 가져라 담바이네 디부트 오케이 디부페 부땡기도 나서 치도 any partnership okay relationship like give and take relationship ya pocha do ngela sa da awesome dinal kiranzo relationship dan that is satisfaction me what that problem to you by in a case simply go min this awesome dinal kiran do watang di dos you are seeing you are changing yourself you don't want to change other people other members of your family or your kari relationship by inera your life partner or this can be anyone okay you don't want to change them you want to change yourself you are changing yourself for the better okay and then you're receiving lots of love and give and take relationship and very respect from your family members ra onde kirangi pa katsu sewa je pa katsu yakboje pa katsu positive da ne da gam su yakboje su sewa je su positive da ya o tende do tyudura kinan su give and take relationship pe yakbo chagidura dagaran gorwara samsam india danga pa pe sewa chi chu ya gyangmundu la do da relationship na la imba na ra da nga la de mail to leader tende ani khari chawari la do 아니 디즈기 치데라 소소 파츠와치 오케이 파츠와치 파 약부지 파 삼시치 소소소소 기르와땅에 찌게다 파조 미리 기르와땅에 찌마겹지 소소소소 기르와땅 소소 약부스이다라 엔 파조 미리 누가 책임 바이나 심바 야가 칭이치 소소라 라투라 안다가라 약부차두리 아니 파조 미리 미로와 차르치키 포지티브 약부지 차르니 제 숨치디 미리니 알레 라 미리레 삼로치요라 딘디 알레 땡잉제 약부치기도 하다 파 약부치고 라이치 규르와치 리기라 파주디 랑싱기 삼로당 규르와리기레 야나 파주디 랑싱기 삼로당 규르와리 마토와이나 아니 같이 오래 okay any you me try any shimbadile yaga chiksoso attract chigira you are attracting some better relationship in your life ra if your current relationship is not good then you are attracting better one or this current person will become better person in this last 3 months okay what they in sigrera yaga and chung sigre de indura relationship la o de soso girwa ta soso la sewa je soso la ra thong sinang shaya mi thong chung tang gi wa ne soso la thong te ko zu da mi ge khale thong ti ri le cho o di okay Okay, the death card lead ran kiran solo tanda chik supu in nasa imune in by ne re sim gi kanyi in by ne re kare ne kiran so situation dukcha chik tanda khangla dodi yo ina ra sim gi kanyin ingir ra mangche chik en khaji chik chido en physical kanyil ra en khaji chik chido mental sim gi kanyi mental issue dende in sire physical kanyi in sire yana career thola dende chik madumni madusum man mangbu khare do chik thola kanyi dogyo ine ra tiste da di khare thola kanyi mangche chik chido tanda di khare thola kanyi redu district confirmation chilling okay mangche chikichido emotional kalere da emotional yora kiranzo emotional simgi kanyi re shara sim this give me sim la kanyi sim la na cha sim give me chik endi do sim ki thone chik problem to chik kiranzo da thodi yosari mangche chire da ra mangche chire sim gi chire problem re da tende imbaina kiranzo gi da the problem the next tawa sum dinala khale galera problem thile ma din to okay if you have some emotional issue mental issue if you are going through these kind of issues right now, then you are going to come out from that issue in last 3 months of 2025. Okay, you are going to come out slowly, but you are coming out from that kind of problems. Okay, even if you are going through some physical health issue, you are coming out from that as well in last 3 months. The next not last 3 months, next 3 months. Okay, I'm sorry, I was saying last 3 months, next 3 months. Okay, on the next tawasum dinala kiranzo kanye dile ma tuen to yatungido okay that simde go into the kanye dile ma tuen to emotional kanye emotional balance kana kedo emotionally testing the up down cha simba you me do cha and selling yakuma do the emotional cha do the depression this cha do dang chik simba you me chilo pasu shida tungi ma do chik yora dang zo simla samsam endi do you me do ma time in the chunguda kirangi next tawasum dinala kale gale dini ma tuen to ya okay positive chola doing to if you are going through some difficulties you don't want to go out, if you are staying whole day night inside in the room not going out, or if you are feeling very sadness and lots of emotional ups and downs, if you are going through this kind of situation right now, then you are coming out in next 3 months slowly, but you are coming out. Okay, so you don't have to worry about your mental health and emotional. Okay, you're going to feel better. Last 3 months, next 3 months. Okay, sorry, next 3 months. You're going to feel better. Okay, I want to do what you think you do. And the idea to Resha Kiranzo reading the animal spirit guidance karitidra. Okay, what is your guidance from animal spirits? Okay, same animals. Wolf spirit and coyote spirit lashrade. Todo the same thing kiranzo ichido guidance. That the animal spirit ki guidance karikeli do lanara kiranzo ichido. Trust in divine detours ra. Turn knowledge into wisdom. Okay, nice. 계란소라 단다 카레도 직 제가 두교 와네 내가 카레 직 제가 두교 와이네 건초기 하나 투지 식대 유다 소소 할라마 건초 숨이 담다 수유라 소소 직대 바치서다 유 바라다 소소 술라 대 바치 유니버스 파워라 인 에너지 레지 지유 베나 건초레 다 소소 술라 이지 체지라다 이지 제서 직대 유 바라 다오 디기 인갈페 서포트 유 dog yu do the number kundu ngala tukji sikti yu la cha on the same na shuk chimbu ki da so kare do ji kan yi tigyo wa ine da tanda kena emotionally kan yi tigdo wa tigyo dungi do ine kaji ji chi physical ra lun na sa yi kan yi ingire da kare to ne de kan yi do tigyo wa ine ra kenan zo gi divine ra da gang ni power ki ngala chok de yu tukji sik de yu nga dik tu nga yapu chagri kali yapu chagri la hope sha go edira gang ni tukji kadin use ra on the ichi che ko tengdura and turn knowledge into wisdom chirtane de kiranzo la wisdom da spiritual part kan la shukchimbu de chi ten sa kiranzo chirtane ende is spiritual call the pe ya ha go ni de imba ti pile number 2 na la ra kiranzo ha go ni mangbu sare yora spiritual part yora spiritual lamga kan to na career ha go ni mangbu pe sare din zo gi chi do da ine so ha go de ma shi practical follow chi yo marara practical follow chi da du su madang ingire yang na so da relationship yapo suela yang na career yapo suela yang na business yapo suela ente da so pe life busy ora ta di ende kiran zo gi ta ti chik ta dawa next dawa sum de la ti chik ta so wisdom khari le ne on the practical follow che go chuk lai cho ta gom nyam nen ko la mangbo shingi wa na khale gali gom ge meditation che go chuk lai cho start doing meditation. Okay, if you know so much about meditation and spiritual part but you are not doing practical, then in this next 3 months it's saying the guidance is saying that do some practical, use your knowledge, okay, make it wisdom rawo de den kira ge pe mang bo chang sha gyu chira so ne lam ka de la practical to thu ya che simbala ne lam din chia or show the path to someone else who needed it right now ra o de siama simbala lam din che yama so follow che o de tingi dura ani kira la da koncho gi doctor yes ra o de simna la sha go du khare ka nye thi gyo ai ne ra koncho gi doc yu ngala thungji si duri khale gali nga chi khare ka nye ne khale gali nya ko cha duri dup duri la ni ani simla ichi di sha ni le ka de che ra ani kare ne ya po cha chance shuk chimbu dura guidance on de le gi do okay ani pal number 2 so ni kiran so achira reading di kiran so pe resonate che pe re wa you resonate che so resonate che wa ina yes resonated pal number 2 la ni comment section la diro chi ani nga ine da resonate ya po chi gi wa ina next tagarang pile number 1 2 3 chendra so date of birth che o den tagarang reading mangpu chi gi in kisi yang di resonate cheda chi min du lota dina yaga du samba ina ani nga ya next reading cheda diga la chi mera ka jana dusu mangpu chi dosha ya resonate ma che wa na dusu tola la di I can answer your comment section la la labro che resonate che na che song la labro che okay ani ngidung dila katak channel la subscribe ani ngir che yung Testile pile number sumba so ani kirang so pile number sumba the empress card dam yuna ani indung de kirang chi re yana kirang gi empress card intuition gi dam me bache ani kirang gi birth date ra birth date 5 7 9 14 16 18 23 25 and 27 tin ani khangun chi gi bai na ani ding indung kirang gi chi re lan share okay ani kirang so chi personality kan dis li dulan the empress card dam ra kirang so ta pe kandi lanara self loving pe di or ta kiran zo pe so la pe sinang thong yakpo chi thungi self love chi thungi so duglo yakpo kheni de thungi ani so khala comfort la shuk chimbo samna tangi chi so pe comfortable de la go ngi ra da mi kha she da ta tis tik se ni kang tak da mi la shibu tyen ko ngi ma ba chi so pe comfortable kang la de ra so nang la de da duglo da comfortable yakshu di khari do di ge ni de chi me da di kip she la ja da na bu gi duglo chimbo ende so here da pa la gi duglo chojo gi duglo da so da husband gi duglo da so karo gi duglo ni de duglo chimbo ni gen tanga pe comfortable de on ni de ani so ka kang tuk comfort kang la de ngi chi me on ni de da kiran zo personality de yu sig ra yama so da buim bai ne ra mangche this personality de this chi feminine kala shuk che yo ra this chi so this yak po suni de do dang ra this number yo suni de chi yo ra da sang da do de do dang chi yung da bui ne da sang da man tha do chi ta di ko ra this man da kha ga o de do chi ra chi krang sing ge o de sang da la ga o yo ngi so du lo yak po kyen so chi yo ra sang da yak po de nyo de yin sig ra kiran zo personality a kiran zo gi kali this kane dibu pe yak po tungi ra so kali shuk chimbo and shira gyamago so this kali gyane dibu pe ako thuen ani pe enjoyment the shuk chimbo ani negative side the positive ine kina gira positive chola suk chuk da khala ore shuk chi dynang chingi dura dynang shuk chi di positive chola tangi ra ani nangmi binjing ndo da so ye khoryu gari ne positive side shuk chi ta thumni kira gira ta gesi ta tu bi mewa ine ta tu gya la besun chingi on de ngira so la pe sewa chi chamgyong chi ani lekai che positive side that or ani manifest chera positive side the shukchel dina che on de ni chira you like to be in a very comfortable way so you wear like a normal kind of clothing because you feel comfortable in that kind of clothes and you must be seeing the positive side in every situation and if you work a little then you see the result very good and you feel very happy about yourself okay you see the positive side and you wear very comfortable clothes this can be your personality okay you are self-loving okay and self-respect self-esteem high self-esteem are very high you can be this kind of person even if you are a boy okay can by the positive cholas even if you are a boy you see the positive side Okay, more positive side than negative. You ignore the negative side and you see the positive side. You try to see the positive side. Okay, in every situation, you are a very positive person. 어디로 동기더라 아니 그냥 빼나 비디오라 빼다 고추부 장보다 고추부 유대니 내가 간데스된 것도 라 하고 해죠 어달 딜레가 디베치도 된데 채워라 딜레가 디베치도 된데 채워라 리바탕 리바탕 시바 빼 뉴르부 라오라 시바 키오 리바탕 네코라 내가 빼 릴라오 있는 땡셔죠 내가 디 딜레가 디베치도 된데 채워라 라죠 딜레가 디베치도 어디 채워라 라죠 계제 된데 채워라 내가 디 채워라 당보 딜라 토리 라죠 소소 빼 하고 이미 심바 당아 텐데 찍채고도 아니 근데 채워리 람데냐 다 근데 채워리 키랑살 계제디가 레 텐데 비 찬스 요라 가지나 키랑 빼 칼라오리 위디 later you're very smart intelligent okay and the kiran la next 3 months kani chungudula na okay red card dang shora red card lido if you are going through some issues okay the kiran so jik kanye do jing the red card kanye ingire the strength Cristiano red card diga chicken di chikte okay, ni kirang gidan da issue reaching to the unera da issue to problem to the physical health kang la insigre yang na mental issue kare ni insigre nge sembala kirang so mangcheji kare thongudulana na kirang so tisigrat na simba nanglo so isim chomma thoni kale theje odin to thongudura sida di kare khalawre khalawre kirambe da 파주 민염배 참부팀부 딩이 두겨울 때는 디스직다 소소이다 디스직 콩도도다 이고도다 소소 아길도 디스 유와이나 아니 디야 네게티브 차사 아니 딘소 결하게 디스직 핸들 제마도 니칼레 팀엔도 삼삼지더라 아니 키랑라스 나 원데데 이바이나 아니 키랑게 넥스 커렌트리 둘라나 키랑라라 스트렝트 카드 리드라 디 키랑기 낭로라 직 마디교 키랑게 심나라 직 이고도 톰보도 차도다 콩도 슉침보 유교도다 지단에 키랑게 natural khardula pe positive duda khiranga pe positive sim shide kyu pe nawa kyu dingi dere dura ine khiranga da current situation chichina inde insigre yang soso da situation inde khensa wo chi jungra da madi wa chi soso la jung ya na physical health kala ya mental emotional kari thola ine chi madi wa chi jung ani khiram pe kyu mege chalung chup chup do cha chi inde cha de yo ina ani next 3 months lara ani khirangi on delay fight che tu ya den tu ya okay ondile ma dün tuya ani so sim chum tuya ra sim langa gil to da andi khariyo ai ni ma chum tuya khongdo do khariyo ai ni chum tuya ani kiran pe sim la goni shide kiran pe nawa ki udingi ji re da ra ani goni kiran gi pe sim la shide goni ki tuya next 3 months la ra kiran gi goni sim la shide di rangja ki tuya asim la khongdo nga gil andi yo ai na chum tuya ma on de tungi dra pe goni positive chagido okay next 3 months pe positive chagido ani kiran gi da dendi pe positive chadu ni kiran gi da family member to da ni kiran gi dopo thomu ngo shingwa chambo timbo yungi di zo nyam do yang kiran so gi ta kiran ine simba pe ki u cha thu re ndi ga na kiran zo leka do jing nyam do che kare ni jing che dup andi che ni so celebrate che do da ra kip tang ya do dang celebrate che do dang ani ta changma nyam zom nyam rup chini ni jing leka che du ya do dang ki u tang ya do den de tungi du ra ani kiran so gi che do da financial gain ra an ta ba do kalli khari gya yo ne ra so kalli ge gi chi ta ni kiran dibuta ya ko tungi da kiran 가지나 깔리기야 컨테스트 하고리 디부드에 치도 컨테스트 하고리 조당 빼고 신기도 어디인데 그런 게 단다바도 깔리 가리다지 강라 깔리 가요네 디부다 투야 쇼르샬라지야 you're going to see the very positive result wherever you put your energy ra you have worked for actually you achieved everything very easily because you know how to deal with that whatever you want okay you easily achieved everything ra so even in next 3 months you are going to see very positive results on wherever you put your energy okay on the thongudura and if you are going through some difficulties with your health or this can be your emotional okay so this can be anything if you are going through some this kind of situation then you are going to gain the patience and you're going to be very positive in next 3 months and you can handle this bad situation very easily okay because you are the strength card is coming so you are going to be very strong patience and you can deal with very in a very positive way. Actually, your personality is a very positive kind of person you are, but right now you're going through some of these issues. I don't know what kind of issues this, but you're going to deal with that in next 3 months, and you're going to be very good. Okay, you're going to you're going to feel victory. You're going to deal with that issue, and you're going to be very positive again in next 3 months. Okay, and you're going to celebrate with your family members or your work in your workplace with your friends. You're going to achieve something wherever you are working, and then you are going to celebrate for that, for your achievement. Okay, you're going to celebrate with lots of friends. This can be your family, this can be your friends. Okay, you're going to celebrate, and your financials are going to be very good in next 3 months as well. If you worked for financial gain, then you're going to gain lots of financial, and you're going to be abundant, and you're going to feel satisfied in next 3 months. Okay, on the 아니, okay. 다니 next 3 months 딜라 키랑서 같이 이들라 나라다 피샤다 야포사투 이다 소소 내가 피샤이 돈다 내가 칭인데 요라다 딘조이나 피샤 야포사투 와이나 다 소소 같이 이도 saving 제라 saving 간데스 제원도 땅아 future라 피샤 save 제 아니 칼라 already 제지야 피샤 saving 치 아니 invest 치 아니 future financial freedom 치 오 then samlo shukchi bolli sar next 3 months la okay and kisi khirang jogi danda pe save yak pu chi thunge ta picha shiram ma turnge pe save chingi and imba inani khirang jo next 3 months la so ichi do song tis tang ki utang ka jin la na khirang jo da empress card ra ti de khirang jo so ichi tis da song tang ya tis lo den jing chi mo nya do da so chi yora da so ichi do song tang ya chi yora so health kichidu to sonta so wealth kichidu wealth sa so the health kichidu to sonta ngire wealth kichidu to so sonta ngire wealth kichidu saving chira yana so ge health kichidu to sonta yana so da this ning che mo so ya to dan ta so ya to dan tu lo nge to dan chik facial da chik yora da time de che o de gela this to sonta ya o de dra next 3 months okay kiranzo financial gain bishuk chimbo chido invest khala ore to song bitis tangi do okay kiranzo namgin sa thiyo aina ai kiranzo la de namgin kiranzo la people opinion to mabu pe ga gi yo aina kiran chitang ne da mi diler la shinang shuk chimbo mi gi opinion la kirangi pe seriously gi yo ba ina next 3 months la kiranzo gi seriously sam shayara the sun card lead okay the card me lerish okay 10 of pentacles and okay 10 completion ra kare thing idlanara de card koron stainless kiranzo ichido okay ani kiranzo pe that mi dilar la ni da mi chik lagring la sum da mi la pe shuk chimbo kiranzo de na chiyo ina ani next 3 months la kiranzo gira da mi gi advice mi gi chik lagir mi gi khatang gi mi di chik la tis chi yami tang thukya 소소이 되바 카리도 온디 제토야 란 다산 카틀리데 아니 소소이 되바 카리도 inner child 라드 충두이니다 소소 미라 페 셰고야디 충두이라 소소라 카레가리 충온디니 마차이라다 충두 값소 미 마랍탑 미 마랍 망보탑이나 아니 다다 셈바 충주 신앙셈라 신앙디 트라우마 childhood ki trauma do di da sem no di da mi chiklerta mi chirta enti tora da 신앙 do enti digi waina chidani kiranzo besemba ki udingi reshilani mi ki chiklerngi legira tis important shukchibuti gi auto da kantra the tiki waina next 3 months like kiranzo gita chungdu la dikange tikyo sangma yami tang teba cheto wache inner child healing ra chungdu la kanye tikyo denzo kali heal cheto ya ra heal che en kiranzo pe danda khoni ra so pe nawa kyo pe chungji do pe so khare de ba yendi che do da mila shita importance mate mi khalam ne lap so de ba yogi so che do ne do ra tengi do ra base ba kyo chani lega khari ne kiranzo gi den to biara lega ni den to biara resha den to biani mabo pe tingi to kiranzo khari to la kali ge gyo ne next 3 months la you are going to achieve that in next 3 months if you give importance to the people like what people will say okay if you give more important to the people than yourself then in next 3 months you are going to give importance to yourself more than people on the journey and you are going to heal your inner child in next 3 months and you are going to feel very happy after that okay you are going to feel very happy because you have healed your inner child whatever you have been through in your childhood you are going to heal that and you are going to feel very happy on the ani kiran pe chayara pe lulu chayan pe kyu chay sim hishik to chayara ani so pe nawa kyu te chitan kiran shimbo nawa kyu redura ani di ngoni nawa kyu koni de tu yara o ne ni chundu la tiskangi tiyo to da de kariyo wa ine sangma heal je to yara trauma de kariyo ane next 3 months la kinangi gali heal je to ya o de tingi dura ani kirangi da completion kirangi danda bado da burden shuk chembo jik sim na la khedi yo anda nga dia che or tende to por ti che or be samlo mangbo ke sim la mangbo ji burden khedi yo responsible if you are taking lots of responsible from your family or from your workplace. This can be from anywhere ra kani ne sigre de pe kirangi da responsible to shukchimbo ke ni kirangi yana sim na la samlo shukchimbo kiaji me da nga ti che or dia che or to mangbo pe ki yo ai na kirangi responsible dige changma da samshayara a completion chagidura complete. You are going to complete your responsible in next 3 months and you are going to feel a little light because you are carrying lots of burdens right now in your heart or in your mind. This can be anywhere. Okay, you are taking lots of responsibility and you are taking lots of burdens of your family. This can be of your family, of your friend, of your office ra karini in city can pay burden ki do in the next 3 months like you burden taking this slowly you are going to feel light because you are not taking that much responsible in next 3 months. You are taking some time for yourself as well ra kiran gi do so to ya ko chu ya do da ni responsible shukchimu ma kia do ra ani so this kyu jungya so in natural dinala li to ya ra kachilana kiran gi natural karre rana wajib dia lele dia chigora da ini koryuk da situation gira so be burden shuk timbu king so shayo na ani the next 3 months and this chig ra on the changma samshaya joya burden soya on the netingi dura. Okay, any kiran so chitani da koni kari chik tingi dula na kiran ki danda bado family members so gi nami pinche nyen to tomo so ini chingam danda da thak ring bu digi wa ina kiran so ani next 3 months la khadi ne insir kiran so thogya gi planning chia thogya ra o de dungi do family changman nyamdo somya nyamdo somni kip tangya ra o de dungi do dita kiran so card koni lida celebration ra nyamdo som kip tangya ani kiran gi chidu yang pe financial abundant ra financial gain shuk chembu jungya kiran business to chigyo ina financial gain shuk chembu jungya ana kiran gi da nami pinche phama gyungen so ngim ba shuk chembu ra ya to dang ra o de ne so phama do imba ina so gi da so gi phama yu ba ina so gi phama la pha yak pu chini chig ke tu ya to dang yana so gi bubu mo de zo ta yora da tindi la pe ropa yak pu che tu ya kang tar da on di che la so financial gain yak pu chi chawra da di chig jena kiran zo che good opportunity, new opportunity, business opportunity, in sigre work opportunity, job opportunity kari ni in sigre de o de le chance to ni kiran zo luk tu to imba nan da yang pama pinche yungen suraya do da tendera ani so da so gita nami pinche pala amla popo mumu ra da so ipu changma nyam do thugya da nyam do som nyam do thum an be kyu dia o de ne bikiran zo situation jungsare ge sikiran zo thagring budi yo aina thugya bi ko kap tingi dura o de ne tingi du ani kiran zo yang property dira khang ba sa cha de ngue bi tingi du kiran zo okay ani kiran zo chirtang ni next next 3 months the kiranzo financial gain shuk chimbo tingi durani celebration tingi durani kiranzo kalaure patience ra semla pe shiri ki tu duran tanda kani karewani dini ma den tu do okay inner child is healing. You're going to get together with your family members or you are gaining lots of money, happy money. Okay, this can be increment, this can be your promotion, or this can be from your family members, your parents, your grandparents, or this can be you are receiving some land from your family member as well. This might happen as well. If you are staying far away from your family members, then you are going to get a chance to meet with them and celebrate together with your family members only. This can also happen in next 3 months, okay, for you if you are staying away from them. Even if you are staying away from your child, you are going to get a chance to meet with your child or children. Okay, on the need to do. Ani kiran zo reading what the nature resha ani dikhala khalore. Animal spirit guidance curriculum. Okay, so what is guidance for you from animal spirit for next 3 months for the pile number 3? Okay, this is first card, and I'll take 2 cards from animal spirit. So cute. Okay, ini deh card new ati Dilidura ani Karlidula na. Grasshopper spirit lidu ani spirit shimba the starfish spirit maning chiala de nika ning chimole sora. Tenging chimole song and the guidance correcti dulana kiranzo chidura. Guidance, take a leap of faith, okay. Take a leap of faith ligidu ani open to infinite possibilities ra. Oh yeah. Ani kiranzo guidance currently dulana kiranzo chi karidoji tanda chego someday ra karidoji nga tende chi chego anga future yakpuchi switch to tende chi chego ani tang yang nang ipugu future yakpuchi chi to tende chi chego yora da soso pama ina pugu ichedo yora pugu ina ya soso pama ichedo chi chego la to da arang future yakpuchi switch to chi chi la to da trading yakpuchi chi karidoji jigi la kiranzo samlo tang tewa yo de yo ina yang da on di la action lane dawasum dinala okay action lane take a leap of faith ta ini da dendi yung mari di chagatona di yung mar di chagatona di yung mal shenang jiora shenang di shane take a leap of faith tik tukre chung tukre lan this action lane sha chwa o the lane lan ligi da okay guidance on the ligi da kiranzo next 3 months kichi do okay. Take a leap of faith. If you want to do something, want to achieve something for yourself, for your family members, for your parents, for your child, this can be for anyone. If you want to improve your health, or this can be anything, whatever you want to achieve, just take a leap of faith and take action. Okay, this is your first guidance. And your second guidance is open to infinite possibility. Ani Kenangi chik chega toa ina possibilities ta zoya karo yo mare lai cho kokap yo re lai cho kenang kari ji samne da ngazo mind this chi close yun ata di chene yore da shimba ta tapshi goro mindo alai yore da di machirang jire shimba tapshi goro mindo alai o dene mare this chik open mind shadara this chik lepa shang da infinite possibilities karine jung sigir karine je yore kokap karine yore la cha bas this mind open ratis open shada la cha this so open teda be open minded and you will get the infinite possibilities, infinite opportunities. Okay, if your mind is closed, then you will feel like there's nothing else I can do this only, but I don't want to do this. If you're feeling this kind of if you're having these kind of feels, thoughts, then open-minded, be open-minded and be receptive. And then you will receive lots of new ideas, new opportunities. You can do whatever you wanted and infinite possibilities are there in this world. So be open, okay, be open-minded. This is your second guidance. Okay, that's it. Ani kiranzo reading tagam si. Ani kiranzo la resonate chunga ina. Ani comment section la resonated pile number 3 la netirochi. Ani kiranzo la resonate machunga ina. Next nga kone ente reading chi me kajila na yang ra. Resonate machawa ina nge dusu ebi mangbochik tola turi. Ani chomindura. Ani pa pinya mato. Ani soso ye dusu mangbochik tang. Ani pa epi mato chena chominda o digi. Di kiranzo resonate chewa ina resonate chesu la nira comment section la tido chida ani ngaya ale an chema goni yang resonate yapu chesha samna nga goni dagana reading tara date of birth tang ani pick a pile chinira so intuition khala chine kil goni reading chigi ila share kiranzo chido okay ani kala sams an kiranzo la the pile di resonate chemewa ina yang kiranzo ki pile number 1 yana pile number 2 di check chine dir da so ipajola check che ipajola this attract to chagudwe tadara an khajila na yang samsam di kiranzo ki danda pile number 3 damra di resonate sheda chema so samna yang samsam pile number 2 di tasha di phachu di o di nge chi du resha di resonate ches la jo yang samsam pile number 1 di resonate ches so le o de ni phachu so samsam ngazo intuition di this chigra thugu dwa yang ra ti ndu yang next check chene yang so la resonate che do den de bi yore ti ndu phachu changma check che dara di so la gari resonate che do on di ni ma so la guidance kari du gare chungi du o di message te zo len chena ti yore la shwe okay ani kiranzo gi nyendung de la kata channel la subscribe and in your